Good.
Hey, everything is great, man. It's a great car show. Everything going on.
Yeah. Yeah. You making me blush and everything.
Yeah, right on.
But she ain't got over here seeing my car here because she been sitting down all day.
Hey.
MrWhyNot got his phone over there.
I be posted at the stop sign on the cone. We ain't going nowhere. I be posted like a light bulb, posted like a tree, posted like some rookie.
Yes, sir. Stop playing with it. My God. Yes, man.
Appreciate y'all coming out.
Yes, sir.
I'm the president of the club.
I'm president of All American Muscle.
Okay, how you doing, Doc? Glad y'all came out.
Appreciate that, man.
Hey, they got line going food, got burritos, green beans, corn, all that shit.
Okay, okay.
Crazy, man. Man, you're crazy. I'm glad I ain't got to worry about buying another rim. I got about another.
What happened though?
I don't know, man. There's something in the road, man.
I thought you said your rim was fucked up, messed up.
It is. It's effective. But it blends in with the rim, so you really can't tell. It's effective.
You said what? Oh.
You all right? What up, Boogie? What up, man?
Okay.
The one is on there about
What's that?
Pro.
Yeah, the old bad pro shop.
Sycamore? Yeah, the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
one Bass Pro, the other one be in Military.
Alright, shit, I'll be there.
You coming?
Yeah, man.
You ain't that.
I was on my way here, I had a blowout.
For the what? What you? Go. Well, I'm gonna check you out.
On my way over here, I had to turn my rim. Did you? Yeah. I put a big ass hole in my rim.
I showed you what I did on Facebook to mine. Going to the show, man. I was sick as hell.
It be like that, man.
We go for that shit.
Yeah, you know it happens.
You know?
It happens.
All the stuff.
All right.
At these YouTubers.
What's up, man?
Pissed off.
What's going on?
I'm pissed off.
What's your name?
Corey.
Corey? I know y'all got a lot of music playing, like I said, but I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and get the content in, man. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Man, hard body, man. he got a scale right there. He got a score right there. I like the red and black. I like the red and black interior, so that's hard right there. Ooh, then get back to the back. Look at the wheel. Let's start with the wheel track. Let's start with the wheel track. Then you see the back. I like that back there. I like the pipes here, man. They ain't got a detail up in here, so that's always good. Once you got it detailed out, so detail, it's the little details, little things that matter when you customizing something. Just like you got the brake caliper, same color as the car. That's cool. So I like how they the same color. Y'all good, man? Y'all good? That's what's up, man. Y'all clean too. Sit back in the cut right there. Things in the cut, chilling, clean though. What's up, man? Y'all good?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? Yes, sir. Y'all clean over here. Silver bullets. Ooh, I like that one now. I don't know why I like that one so much. Now that one just stand out, and they got a whole row of them, but that one just caught my eye like boom. Here you go. Maybe because it got that blue and black on it, and the black and the blue is blending in. They even got the blue lights that go in there. So I guess that's why they just caught my attention, just like that. I like the wing on the back of it, and then got the blue brake caliper right here. There's some little wheels though. 285, 30, 19. I guess they gotta be little though. Oh, look at the roof, man. Look at the carbon fiber roof, man. Then you got the carbon fiber right here. Then you got the carbon fiber at the bottom. You got carbon fiber. The black bumper is carbon fiber. Then you got the wing carbon fiber. It's all about detail, little detail, and all that. This carbon fiber. I like that. It's hard, man. I like that car right there. That's hard. What's up now, y'all all right? All right. Yeah, that thing hard right there. I like that blue on there. I think that win, that one and that one right there. I think I like that one. But all of them clean, but that one and that one pretty much take the cake. This red cool. Red cool. I like that. And I like that because they did something to them. You know, you can have a car, but if you ain't did nothing to them, customized, it's just a clean car that came from the factory. It's all about customized, ain't it, my guy? I like that. I gotta give me something to drink. I'm turning the camera back on in a minute. Peace.
Custom sewed bench seat, and I got a fitted rubber mat in here. I just put in there yesterday.
Yeah, I like this, man. I like that. I like that.
And I only got 9,000 miles on it.
Not what? No. What the miles? This man got 9,000 miles. Oh my God. This a new car.
Underglow, and blue halo lights. Little something I like to do.
Okay, okay. 6-inch lip. Okay.
And I call it the muscle truck.
The who?
The muscle truck.
Hey, this the muscle truck, y'all. I like this, man. I like this, for real. 9,000 miles. That's it. 9,000 miles on. That's all.
Let me fix it up. It's kind of bent. It's a.
Your progress.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see the progress, man. Y'all see it. Come on, man.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up, man. That's good to work on yourself. You appreciate it more when you do it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you do. You appreciate it a whole lot.
Man, I tell you what. How'd you do your car right up here, man?
What you mean? What?
Like, how'd you get the blue to kind of light up on there? Okay.
It's reflective blue.
Oh,
It's reflective. Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
And you did the whole American
Yeah.
Bulldog and everything yourself?
Everything you see on that car, I did.
Wow.
It ain't nothing on there that I didn't do.
I love
It was solid white at first.
this paintwork right here. Is this
That's hydro. I hydro dipped that.
really?
Look in the inside. The inside just like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a dog on the side.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I ain't got the skills for it, but if I could get that truck like some, I'd love to take and make the breather and the intake or the valve cover gasket. Or not valve cover.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I can't speak to that.
Hey, you can. Hey, you can.
But I just ain't got the skill for that.
I see you prancing through here.
Hey, I ain't prancing.
You just walk.
That's always walk like you're going.
Hey, man.
Don't walk like you ain't going.
Hey, I hear you.
That's how folks look at you. But you see, when I walk through, you say you prancing.
Yes, man. I like that. I like that.
This is yours.
That's mine.
That's yours.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
But you got my Instagram though. Hit me up anytime, man. I help you do some stuff with that. Whatever you need did, just hit me up.
Yes, sir. I'll surely be there.
I got you. I got you. Show up. I got you.
Thank you, man.
All right now. Hey man, look. Yup. Everybody record. They said you record. Number music. I'm gonna get back with y'all later, man. Ain't number music. He just told me ain't number music. I'm getting copyrighted. I gotta put music over me talking and some more shit. So I'm gonna let y'all later. Peace. Right there, TikTok. Muscle Truck Gang 2022. Man, y'all make sure y'all go check my guy out, man. I got you, man. Man, y'all make sure y'all go check my guy out, man. I really like this, man. Wolfpack. Oh, God. Man, this is gonna get up and lead somebody. It's running. Man, this thing is running. For real, for real. Woo. What's that, about a 7-inch lip? Cole, what that about? That about, nah. That about 4.5. Because when I measure shit with my hand, 5. When I do this, when I measure, who car that is? I bet about a 4.5, 5. One of these y'all? You know him? What side lip them here on that? right here, man. I ain't forget about this, man.
I want to put a lip on this one bad. I told him, I said, when I get some stuff paid for, I'm going to put some on. I want some Desperados, US Max.
Yeah, that's what's up. You got this thing clean too, man.
Thank you.
This thing is clean. Oh, the headliner is cool too. Look at the headliner, y'all. Headliner. Right. I like this, man.
You talking, you know they ain't gonna hear you.
Huh?
You talking, you know they still gonna be able to hear you, man. Now, you talking to the guy, you know they ain't gonna hear you,
There's my blue and white charger over there. Okay. I like these things too. What size lip you want to put on now?
The biggest I can put on it. The biggest I can put on it. I'm going to put airbags on it, and I want to get it a little bit lower.
Hey, bud, what size you think going now?
I want the biggest lip I can get on it, but I don't want to have to cut it, tub it.
What size lip you think? Cause that junk gonna come, huh?
I said it's about a 4 to 3.
Come on over there.
Yeah, that's a normal.
Nah, he want a bigger lip.
I want a big lip.
You gotta get a custom made rim.
Yeah.
You gotta be custom made.
Yeah. They gonna set it off though.
I want to airbag it, put a lip on the bag.
What size tire?
Those are 20s on the back right now. It depends on how it looks, I don't care about what size it is. I'll probably go over here to Memphis to what we call BTW. BTW wholesale over there on
He
the
got
mall.
them wildwood brakes on them though. Man, that thing hard. I like this. Oh, what?
Okay.
You gotta go like towards all those Roosters and all them. You gotta get
But he said he's
to make a bigger lip.
US Mac, yeah.
US Mag, yeah, that Desperado is what I want. I want that bag.
They do forged wheels.
It's got that black chrome lip.
Yeah.
Yeah, then when you gotta get like a 2 or 3 piece wheel, you get the bigger lip on it.
The 3-piece, you can get that size you want though, kind of.
Man, them Wheelwoods was a pain to put on.
It was?
I worked for 2 months straight getting them lined up, but now they good now.
Right.
Man, they kicked my butt. I had to redo the whole brake lines from front to back.
How long you had it?
3 years.
3 years? You did it? It was the same color when you got it?
Same color when I bought it, but me and this guy here, we LS swapped it, all that. Got 4L60E transmission in it.
Dang,
It's 21 miles a gallon, run the air conditioning.
You drive it a lot, just
Drove
everything.
2 hours over here.
Where you from?
We in Arkansas. About, once I get on the bridge, I'm about 50 miles from being home.
This you? And this yours?
No, it's not like this.
Okay.
But I like this car. I like the moon pipe. Underneath the hood, it says you got that moon pipe.
Yeah.
I like it.
Hey man, this is a real deal though.
Thank you.
This is real deal. Y'all see it, man. That's cool.
Listen, look you up right now, MrWhyNot345.
Yes, sir. You got Instagram and anything? Okay. You don't got nowhere you show your bills and doing?
Facebook, that's all I got.
What's your Facebook?
Kevin Wallen on Facebook.
Okay, got you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna look you up, man.
I'm gonna look you up tonight. I'm gonna follow you right now.
Yes, sir. I'm Kevin LD May on Facebook, MrWhyNot on YouTube and Instagram.
My name's Kevin. I go by K-Dub. K-Dub 060708 on YouTube, but I'm gonna follow
You on YouTube?
you. Yeah. I don't have my channel. I just look at everybody.
Okay. Well, follow me though. I got you. All right. You gonna see yourself tomorrow. What is this? You got what's that?
That's the original windshield washer fluid. You had to get out of the car and pour that on the windshield. You didn't have the sprayers in 1963. You took that out, put it on your windshield, turn your wipers on. That's windshield washer fluid in there. We spoiled nowadays, ain't we?
Man, I just learned something new.
Yeah.
Let's learn something new.
There you go. You can talk now. Talk on, man.
Cut it off with it.
Dang, man, they've been playing the music the whole time, man. We gotta talk fast now before they turn the music back on. But we are having a good time out here at Chud in Memphis, Tennessee. Fun in the sun. We out here getting blacker and blacker. We're having no fun in the sun.
I hope they got a. Damn right, old school, baby.
You hear it, man. You see it.
I hope they got a on-site paramedic, because this nigga, he gonna pass out in a minute, all the black on him.
I sure had all black.
Man, it's Zoom team, man. It's Zoom team. All black. What's up, guys?
What's up, man? You alright? I sure had black on, man. I said, I don't turn this shit off. Take this shit off.
You got it.
Hey, man, we see everybody up here that's chilling, man. Everybody chilling, man. Everybody. What's going on? Tell me something good.
Everything is great, man. It's great control. Everything going on.
You hear me? Yeah. You making me blush and everything.
Right on.
But she got up here and see Mark out here because she been sitting down all day.
Why not got his phone over
They
there?
been sitting down, so they ain't seen Mark out here.
Yeah, we ain't looking at it yet.
She like the name. She like the name. I have a good one.
Why not?
All right. What you smoking on? Hookah. She smoking a hookah over there. She got something in that hookah, y'all. She ain't just smoking no straight hookah. She trying to disguise it. Huh? What's in the hookah? Grapefruit? Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Y'all got Instagram? What's your Instagram? See.
Hookah sisters.
That's your that's your thing? Let's see, give me a call. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go check out. Get her a follow on her Instagram. Let me see, where's the Instagram? Oh, there you go right there. Y'all make sure y'all go check out MrWhyNot345. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Yeah.
Shit, how you reverse that one?
That's that LT1, you know. Got that Corvette in there. Got the real LT1 on the side.
How long you had this?
Over some years. Bought it brand new.
Ride for my niggas, put that on the holy grail. We got choppers, loaded cartridges. Put that on my mama, baby. Run up on the young girl. Talking ain't no option.
You ain't gonna do nothing else to it?
No, I ain't gonna do nothing else. Damn.
So you like speed or custom?
I mean, I like speed. But I'm at the age now I can't run it like that.
I been saying, how fast you gonna go around Memphis and shit?
Yeah, I ain't gonna do 80 to 85. That's it, bro.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Thank you.
That's fast enough.
Get on your horse, get your shit, go back to whatever.
You gonna have to slow down in a minute. Yeah, I like that thing clean, man. That red though. Oh. Huh? Take off on the catch on me. It is the driver. You out of there. You out of there.
Once I get to my back tire, I'm looking every time.
Ain't no running home. I been posted at the stop sign on the corner. Like a brick wall. Posted at the stop sign on the corner. I see the law, nigga. What? Posted like a light pole. Posted like a tree. Posted like some rich nigga. Ain't no running home. Got me posted.
I gotta hand it to you, boy. You do know how to make a grand entrance.